Here we are, up in here, Mr. Jones. Just wanted to show you guys what happened to one of our specimens. We gave him thought it was a cure for global warming, but he didn't make out too well. Just gotta put him on right over here. There he is. I don't know. He kinda... Gotta pull myself over here. He was a little sick and coughing and whatnot, but yeah. Fishy didn't make it. We gotta try our next cure for global warming up in here with Mr. Jones. In our secret Asian lair. Up here in Southeast Asia somewhere. Big birds and big dead fish. But don't worry. Fishy died for a good cause. So this global warming cause. Right there. Right there is where his belly ate out from the cure, global warming. He's gonna look at this. He's gonna put Fishy out on YouTube so he didn't die in vain. Hello world! Anyways. Here we are. Just wanted to show that to the world. Fishy. And yeah, till next time, 009, global warming expedition. Fucking polar bears coming. I don't know what the hell. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Over now.